Hello, my name is John Paul Rue. I am a board-certified, fellowship-trained orthopedic surgeon here at Mercy Medical Center. Prior to joining Mercy, I had spent over 20 years in the United States Navy as a Navy orthopedic surgeon for various tours from overseas and time at the Naval Academy where I was the head team physician. I have specialized in orthopedic surgery and sports medicine of the knee, shoulder, and elbow. Sports medicine has been a lifelong passion of mine. Growing up, I was an avid athlete. I continued to be active in sports, outdoor activities, and one of the things that really interested me was the ability to relate to the athlete and to be able to return them to their sport, get them back in the game after an injury. One of the things I like most about Mercy is my ability to treat the patient, to give you the dedicated time to listen to your concerns, to listen to your desires, and really get you back on the field, back in action.